Good morning, everybody. I'm meteorologist Eric TALLMAN. Thank you so much for joining me this morning with our continuing coverage with this snowstorm. I'm going to tell you, it has really been very, very interesting. We may have some issues being on live broadcast because of the weather situation, but we're going to continue with our weather coverage as well. So this is what we have currently right now. The radar trends, accumulating snowfall continues across southeast Michigan this morning. Higher snowfall rates now moving in potential to reach 1 inch plus inch per hour. Within heavier snow bands, those will be possible through early this afternoon. Once again, impacts will be untreated roads, will be snow covered, and visibility will be reduced, slow down, and allow plenty of time to get to your destination. So just be careful out there. I will continue to keep you posted on all of this activity that's happening across southeast lower Michigan. The next live report will be between 10:30, 11:45, possibly sooner. So kind of keep it here. We'll let you know exactly what's happening with this weather system as we continue to extend our live coverage. So stay tuned for more. We'll be back with continuing coverage throughout the day. Everyone have a good day, and we'll have another update at 11:30. This is meteorologist Eric TALLMAN with a live update. Please stay with us throughout the day, and I will keep you advised and up to date and up to speed on this continuing coverage of the winter storm that does continue. Stay tuned for the latest developments, and I'll keep you posted and informed. Stay alert, and I'll keep you advised, and we will have more throughout the day. But unfortunately, we're going to go ahead and stay on the air because I have some other things that I want to share with you. Just so you know, right now, a lot of areas right now are seeing a lot of slick conditions this morning. And when I last checked the school closings this morning before I left, there were 585 schools that were closed. So just about all the schools all across southeast Michigan are closed today. So a lot of us have a snow day. So like I said, be careful out there today. You don't want to be fooling around. Just take your time if you're going to be walking around on the sidewalks and stuff like that. Remember to check up on your family members, handicap, elderly, etc. So you want to kind of call them, give them a call, make sure that they're okay. Also, I want to advise you, make sure that you are prepared. Make sure you have emergency supplies with you, and make sure that you have money, your cell phone, emergency food, and supplies on you in case that you get stranded or your car breaks down, or if you're in an accident. Make sure that you do have a cell phone so you can call for help immediately. And if you see someone that's trying to help you out, I advise you, let them help you out. If they're able to assist you, that will also help. Especially if there's an emergency and you get stranded, allow that person to stay with you during the time that there is an emergency, and etc. So I'll keep you advised throughout the day of what's going on, and we'll have all the safety guidelines of what you need to know during this whole winter season. I know a lot of you guys are probably wondering, when is the snow going to stop falling? Are we going to get a break in the action? Well, I'll let you know throughout the day, and we'll find out in the next several days to come what we are expecting. I would like to see a break from all the snow, but it's beyond our control, and I'm just a meteorologist, so I do not control the weather. I just forecast it. So this is actually our advanced newscast, so I'm telling you heads up of what's going on across Southeast Michigan. So things are going to be very, very interesting. So let's see if I can show you something really quick before I go. I'm trying to get this to stay steady here. I'm really sorry here. I'm trying to do this as great as I can. Alright, we'll go ahead and talk about what's happening right now. I guess I'm going to be on for a little bit longer. Where you can see the arrow, that means motion. That is indicating which way the snow bands are going to go. So way down to the south, there's actually bands of snow that are going to continue to go east. And it's going to be headed towards Detroit. And then way up here, I'm sorry about that. Way up here, there's going to be another band that's going to move. And that is going to be going towards the east. And that's going to be headed towards Bad Axe. So once again, way over here, this motion is going to go right past Ann Arbor and Detroit and all along down here, because this section is under a winter storm warning that will have about 6 to 9 inches of snow. So areas that are under the winter storm warning, just be advised that you guys have a lot of snow coming your way. And then people that are north of Detroit, which would be this area, Lansing, I'm going to go ahead and tell you immediately right now what we've got going on here. So it would be Lansing and all around this area is under the winter weather advisory. So I was just circling it around so you had an idea of what areas the advisory, which ones were under the advisory and which ones were under the winter storm warning. So we have it all right here. I'll see everyone again at 11:30, 11:45, and definitely at 12 o'clock. We'll have the very latest. So I'll get these reports up and news and breaking news up as fast as I can get it up. So we've got more coming up right after this. And this is Meteorologist with the Michigan Weather Channel, Southeast Michigan, Detroit. We'll be right back with more updates coming up right after this. And I'll have a live report on Twitter and Instagram and Facebook. I have it all right here, so stay tuned. I've got more developments coming up within the hour. We'll see you soon. A lot of coverage headed your way. You don't want to miss out on that, so stay tuned, and I'll keep you posted. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in a little bit.